What's going on, everybody? This is Jake Jones here with MarineMax TexasMasterCraft in Fort Worth, Texas. Today we're going to walk through a 2020 MasterCraft X22. This is a used piece. We brought it in on trade. So let's walk through that, check out some of the awesome features on it. So back here in the transom, you'll see we do have the teak swim platform. We just re-teaked it so it looks incredible. Up top, you'll see we do have the lounger chairs with the footrest that fold out, as well as the transom stereo remote, which is great for while you guys are floating. You want to change a song, change the volume. It's right there accessible for you. So in here inside the boat, a couple options that we want to point out here. This tower is a power tower, so you have your rocker switch up at the helm to lower it and raise it. We have the 4 Klipsch tower speakers here, as well as our clamping board racks on the side. Makes it super easy to get your board in and out. Coolfeel interior all the way through the cockpit, as well as Decadence flooring. Decadence is super easy to clean. Pull it out, rinse it off, put it right back in. Antimicrobial as well, so you're not gonna get any crazy smells coming out of it. So up here in the bow of the boat here, this is a pickle fork bow, so we do have a nice wide beam up here. We have armrests for port and starboard passengers, as well as cup holders and chargers up here, so this makes it a great spot to hang out. So up here at the helm, you'll see we do have the dual screen setup. That right side screen is gonna be your command center. Super easy to load up a surf wave, change the music, turn on lights, whatever you need to do. We do have the BTS window on this, which I love because it allows you to talk to your rider as you're passing them, not having glass get in your way. Bolster seat, chargers, and again, down there is gonna be a rocker switch for your power tower. Thank you for checking out this X22 with me today. If you guys have any questions, hop on to MarineMax.com. Check out our other used inventory, as well as our new. Here at MarineMax, we have an awesome service shop for you guys. Mobile techs come out to you at your lake, take care of you right on your dock. So you guys can be rest assured that we'll take care of you in any way we can. Again, my name is Jake Jones. Give me a call at 682-282-9969. Thank you.
Here at MarineMax TexasMasterCraft, we are your one-stop shop for all things boating. We carry top brands such as MasterCraft, Aviara, Sea Ray, Premier Pontoons, and Crest Pontoons. We are here to guide and take care of you throughout the whole purchase and ownership of your boat. Whether you're looking for competitive in-house financing, needing gear from our fully stocked pro shop, or maybe you need to set up an appointment with our highly regarded service team, we offer everything you need for a great day out on the water. To check out other boats like this one, visit us online at MarineMax.com.